That sounds nice. That sounds nice. Guys, I forgot to hit record. We're recording now, man. Dude, we got some good clips too. We got M440s, M340s, M2s, M3s. No, yeah, I'm surprised there's no M5 here.
Or M4.
Yeah, or M4, yeah. Bunch of G80s.
We'll see him though.
Bro, this guy Ali, dude, he slides his car, eh?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It's a rear wheel drive?
It's not rear wheel, but he slides it.
He's sliding it.
M340.
Oh, this is sick.
Look at this turnout, man. Oh my goodness. 3 G80s. 440. Huh? Appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Which one's your car? Oh, the M440? That'd be great. That's sick. M340. You good, Ali?
There's no 93.
You good?
Yo, there's no 93 here, and my tune takes 93.
Yeah?
I have a 91 map, but I don't want to use it because there's no burbles.
Because there's no burbles?
There's no burbles in 91.
There's no burbles, you're not happy, eh?
Not happy at all.
That's sick, bro.
Yeah.
And look at that, we got a McLaren. We got more up there. Yeah, that's the comp.
My brother just sold his M4 competition.
Did he end up getting something
He ended up
better?
getting a Cayenne Turbo.
The drive resumes. Oh, I forgot to download footage off of this camera.
Oh my god, he almost hit, the truck almost hit the M.
Did he? Yeah, you can hear that. You can hear that. Seatbelt. Look at that, bro. Low Merc action. M3. Hey. Look at the quad tips on this 440. Oh, my bad, bro. I kinda... Get the Lexus, get the Lexus. Hey! Hey! Give us a little something. I want to hear that Japanese muscle. That thing is sick. Yo, that's... Bro, we got the Lexus ISF, bro. Just redlining this shit. Oh my.
Oh, shit.
And keep in mind, we're getting more cars in Toronto, by the way. Oh my god. That sounds nice. That sounds nice. That sounds nice. They all sound nice. That's sick, bro.
Yo, that thing sounds mental.
That's my DGI2.
Oh yeah?
Yo, you should get it, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna use it at the Rich Road.
All right, cool.
Ah, nice.
Yo, look at that.
Oh my god.
Yo, yeah.
Should I roll the window down?
Yeah, roll it.
I'm okay.
Yeah, there's a wide body inside.
Rebel Walto.
Let's go back right there. Guys, look at this rollout. We got all the M's posted up. Got a bunch of cars coming in. A Mercedes RS7. Just never stopping, dude. Okay, Supra. Oh my gosh. We got an F8, Revuelto. All the M's. Stay collected, bro. That's sick. You wanna walk around?
Yeah.
Alright. What do you think of this Me so far?
Bro, you were saying to me on the phone yesterday, you're like, yo, bro, is this gonna be a good turnout? Or
Yeah.
y'all worried and shit. Bro, look at this, bro.
Yeah, it's because we're in Toronto now.
They got all the cars. Yo, R32. Jeez.
Hey. It just doesn't stop, eh? Guys, peep this Revuelto in a hot pink. Alright guys, look at this. We got some random cars spawning out of nowhere, right? Hey. Social orbit, I know you want that one.
Full carbon rear bumper. Oh, that's the supercharger right there.
Yeah. Little Hellcat, eh? Hey. What Corvette action.
You're gonna be a large ride.
Okay. Yo, who snuck the Corvette in the middle? Yeah, there's an imposter among us. Hey, track hawk.
You feel like the orange.
You about to say something racist, or are you gonna say something family friendly? Is it a track? Oh, it's an SRT, bro. I'm telling you, there's no track hawks, man.
What's the difference between an SRT and a track hawk?
The SRT is just a V8. The track hawk comes with a supercharger. What? Is that a Datsun, bro? It's a Nissan.
Yeah.
It's an LS Style Nissan, eh?
OG.
Hey, clean. 720. Social orbit. This is you, man. This is you. In orange too. S2K, the most overpriced Honda on the market, bro. Here we are, a Haggerty Classic. Golf range. Welcome to my garage, guys. I let some people in today, invited them to the crib. Racing sim. We got a Ford GT. Yo, is that a Saline? Oh, is that a Tesla Roadster? Yo, look at this Tesla Roadster. Hey, you don't see that too often.
Yo, this Ford GT is $1 million.
Ford GT. M2s back there tucked away. M2. Bro, it's got everything tucked away. Vantage. This is definitely just like someone's storage. Like, he probably stores cars here. Three, huh? No, I'm saying like he probably.
Storage.
I was gonna say he stores it for people. Look at that RS.
That Mustang's very expensive.
Oh, it's a GTD.
Yeah, GTD.
I didn't even notice that. What the
That's
hell?
insane.
I think there's a ZR1 tucked away. All right, guys, we are rolling out. Bro, I have like all these stragglers on my. Oh, I gotta try to go plug this in. Bro, I love his quad tips, bro. Pit stop number 3. Some people need gas. This thing needs gas in his 440. Look at that. Gas station packed.
You just slid that, man.
A little bit, yeah. Oh, we're getting into the QEW.
Just slid it too.
That's crazy.
Just launched the piss out of that M3 up in the front.
Finally on the highway. Holy. She's screaming. You can crack a little bit, yeah? Holy. You hear the turbos? Let's get some rollers, yeah? Get some rollers, man. Yo, where's everyone else at? Yo, you guys finally caught up?
At the very end, we turn right and then that's it. It starts going to the ridge road.
To the ridge road? All right, you want to go in front?
You can go in front.
No, it's all good, bro. I don't want to lose people. Is everyone back though?
Yeah, everyone's back.
All right, man. Yo, have you been on this road before?
Once.
Is it good?
Yeah. But the problem is, if there's a lot of NPC, that's it.
It slowed down.
Because it's a very narrow road.
All right, bad. Yo, I want to be behind someone then. I want to be behind the McLaren. I want to clip farm.
You better slow down then.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 2.9. Oh look at the rims there. Are they turning right? Where did he come from?
What the?
This guy said, "What the?" Yo, he just came out of.
Where did he come from?
I don't know, bro. He just kind of spawned.
I was just looking back there. She was not even there.
Yeah.
Yeah, she wasn't with us before.
Yeah.
What is it, a 40?
That lady got out of the lane real quick. Where's Mr. McLaren, bro? I want him for clips.
He's a couple cars back.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna turn left on Ridge. Yo, now's a good time to have some gloves, man, because your hands are gonna get sweaty. Oh!
That sounded sick.
Yeah, the B58, man, I'm telling you. Bop, 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 bop.
Oh, here we go. Ah, you're stuck behind the 430. I guess you could pass it.
No, it's all good.
McLaren's a few cars back.
Yeah, I think it's 4 cars back.
Alright, man. Here we
Dude,
go.
they're already gone. Yo, you feel it, eh?
Oh shit! What the hell?
You feel it,
I
eh?
just felt it in my chest. Yo, slow down.
Oh, you see the NPC kind of thing there?
Holy shit, that road was crazy.
Yo, I want to get behind the McLaren, please, bro. I'd love to hear that.
Yeah, I think that sounded insane.
Yeah, the McLaren, that thing is like, oh, let me get behind the, it's like a roller coaster. Let's get the AC burning, bro. We got a stop sign. All right, we're back. Got a fun little road. Oh, we're going up.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh shit. I'm literally flying, bro. Look, you really hold the camera.
That's what the bucket seats are for.
Oh shit.
Gotta keep you strapped in.
Yo, this view is really nice.
Oh, there's a Miata right there. Oh, a Miata and a 4.
Not bad.
Oh, so there's a tight turn here, eh?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, stop. I'm sorry. That's enough.